Hey guys, if your phone suddenly stops responding or has issues, and you try to turn it off, but nothing happens, don't worry. Here, I'll show you how to force restart your phone. Let's go. Here is how you do it. Press and release the volume up button. Press and release the volume down button. Press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. This can help with minor system crashes, but it won't fix more serious problems. If a forced restart didn't work, this may be a software issue. Try updating your iPhone to the latest version. If that doesn't work, you can use ReiBoot to perform a system repair without data loss, which can fix more difficult problems. Here, I will give you a quick walkthrough. You can just download ReiBoot on your computer and connect your iPhone. If you want to fix your phone without data loss, you can click the green button here. Choose Standard Repair to avoid data loss. Deep Repair will cause data loss, but it also could repair more difficult problems. And follow the on-screen instructions to download the matching firmware. Then you can repair your system. ReiBoot will fix the issue without causing data loss. Quick and easy. Okay, now your phone is back to normal and all your app and photos are saved. Now that your iPhone system is fixed, it's a good idea to free up some storage and regularly clear background apps to prevent the freezing issue from happening again. Or next time, it might have other issue. Okay, if you found success with any of these solutions, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Stay tuned for more informative videos from our channel. If you have any other questions, please leave a comment below.